In this video, we will show you how to install Zorin OS. To install Zorin OS, just load your ISO files and then select the installing Zorin OS in the first boot. Now, after the Zorin OS is loading, after you select the first option of the boot, you can see there is checking file system on our ISO files. You can get the ISO files from Zorin OS. Okay. After checking your file system from the ISO files, the confirmation will appear that your file is no issue. Then you can see the Zorin OS will start the process of installation. You can see this is the loading process. Zorin OS is become popular because the Zorin OS is alternative after Windows 10 is end of life for the updates. Okay, to start the installing using UI, you can see you can try the Zorin OS or just select the install. Okay, just click install Zorin OS in here. Let me try how to use the Zorin OS, and you can choose your keyboard layout. In here, I'm choose English United States. Then click continue. Okay, you can see for the updates and other softwares, download update while installing Zorin OS. I prefer don't tick this because it slower our installation process. And you can see install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media formats. Okay, because this is very important, we can just leave it tick like this. So then we can click continue after that. Also, you can click the don't participate in the census. Okay, just click continue. Zorin OS is based on Ubuntu, so it is very similar to Ubuntu. Okay, just erase this and install Zorin OS. We can just select the first option. If you want to using your manual partition, just select something else. But I will let it. Choose the erase this and install Zorin OS. Just click install now. Okay, for starting using Zorin OS, we can just click continue here. Okay, I'm using this approximately 35 gigabytes allocation. To installing Zorin OS, it's better you are using this is more than 20 gigabytes. Where are you? Let's select, for example, New York, the United States. Okay, then select continue. And your name, for example, like our channel name, where data like this. Your computer's name is just using where data, and pick username is where data. Okay, choose a password. I will using login automatically, and I will using password 1 until 5. Let's try 1 until 5 is can be used or not. Okay, just click continue after that. Oh yes, it's very simple. So not many requirements to install Zorin OS. If we are using strong password or short password, we can using the password to install Zorin OS, as simple as that. Okay, copying files. After we installing the Zorin OS in the next video, maybe we will give you the tutorial how to install and use third-party software, for example, using application on Zorin OS, configuration, and etc. So you can just subscribe this channel if you think this channel is useful for you. Zorin OS is used by many people, especially after Windows 10 is end of life support. Let's wait until the copying file is finished to shorten our video. To installing Zorin OS until this step, it may takes 3 until 5 minutes. So it's faster than we installing the Windows OS. Okay. Now it's configuring hardware. Maybe in here we got not important step like loading process or another. Now the process is installing group. Group is very important in Linux. Checking for pages, installing system, or completely removing many item after installing. Installing system. This is almost finished. Downloading pages. Okay, if you already connected to the internet, maybe this will happen. But of course, you can also install Zorin OS in offline mode because we just tick the option to install third party, maybe for important software. This is now downloading the packages. Let's wait. 1 second remaining. Okay, I think this LibreOffice is installed because I see the lib packages just now. Let's wait until the installation is completed and let's see how the interface looks like on Zorin OS 18. You can see I'm installed the Zorin OS in November 1, 2025. So this is the very last of the video. If you want to get faster the installation of Zorin OS, maybe you can also don't tick the third-party options in the start or early step that we will install the Zorin OS. Installation is complete. You need to restart the computer in order to use the new installation. Okay, just click restart now. Remove the installation medium, then press enter. In here, if you are using USB, you need to unplug your USB. If you are using CD-ROM, just unattach your CD-ROM or any media files you use. You need to remove them and then you can hit the enter. Okay, I will remove them first. After you remove the media, just hit the enter. Zorin. Wow, Zorin. I don't know what Zorin means, but this is eligible to try. Okay, this is the looks like. Welcome to Zorin OS 18. Okay, we can click Start Tour. Open the menu to launch apps. Choose your desktop looks with Zorin appearance. Speed may be limited in virtual machine. Okay, just click Next. Link your phone and computer with Zorin Connect so we can connect our phone with Zorin OS like in Windows 11. Okay, launch software. And that's we hope that you enjoy Zorin OS. Let's close this. And like I say, I think the Zorin OS install the LibreOffice. Let's see I'm wrong or not. Oh, I'm sorry, not this. Oh yes, LibreOffice Writer. Oh yes, I'm not wrong. The Zorin OS is installed the LibreOffice as default. So we have default application like Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word in here. And in the next video, let's explore about Zorin OS. That's all, how to install Zorin OS. There is also have a browser with Brave, and this is the software. Okay, this is the web browser. And if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below. And thanks for watching. If you think our channel is up you can just subscribe.